I'm Kayla with WTI, and no matter how good you are at something, there is always room for improvement, especially with golf. How you can improve your golf game is using this awesome golf practice net from Bltend. This practice net was truly designed with the golfer in mind. At 10 foot by 7 foot, it gives us a really nice wide practice area. It took two of us just a matter of minutes to get it up and ready to be used. It is made of a really nice, durable mesh fabric as well as strong, sturdy poles that slide in just like a typical tent pole. This set really comes with everything you need, from the tees to the balls to the thick rubber mat that it came with. One of my favorite features is that the rubber mat has 3 varying levels of turf. This allows you to be able to use a variety of clubs and practice every aspect of your golf game. I love that this net can be used not only with the more experienced golfer, one who's really practicing their aim or their accuracy, but we like to use it as a family. Even taking it out with my young son who is just starting to learn golf. So whether you're a beginner just starting for the first time or somebody who's been golfing for years, this net is perfect for you. This golf net was designed to be used both indoors and outdoors. Of course, you want to make sure you have the height space, but for us personally, it has been an awesome addition to be able to use it in the off season when it's a little bit colder outside, or use it when it's nice and warm. Our family has loved practicing our golfing game using this practice net from Bltend, but that's just our point of view.